Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Nigel's Canvas, where I talk about tech, sales, and travel. And today's video is specifically for all of my creators that have less than 1,000 subscribers. So if you got more than 1,000 subscribers, feel free to drop your channel in the comment section. Let us know what you do and how you blew your page up. Because right now, as of today's date, I'm still under 1,000 subscribers. And I think it's important to share advice and content and game from a place that you're at, and not these fake gurus that don't really have it going on. And so first things first, man, we're gonna talk about YouTube. How do we have the growth? How can we go ahead and build this thing up? And one thing that I've learned from building to my 900 subscribers is that it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. It takes time. And I have other platforms that are bigger, but for some reason, YouTube has always been difficult. The first thing that I want to point out is talking about when to post. And to be real with YouTube, it doesn't really matter that much. Can you show up twice a week? And like me, you'll see on my channel, I'm not as consistent with my main videos. Hold me accountable to that. But I'm very consistent with my YouTube shorts, which helps me drive a lot of engagement, traffic, and subscribers to the page. Having captivating, engaging thumbnails are gonna be great. This video I'm talking about YouTube, I should have a YouTube link up. I would also say niching down. This is gonna be your ability to talk specifically about one topic. You can see here today, these are for my people that have under 1,000 subscribers, right? If you have more, slide. Now let's talk about some things that I'm doing right now to help me push and grow past 1,000 subscribers. Of course, we can talk about the settings. Of course, there's different tweaks and different tags that you can use. I'm sure you know about that. That's not what this video is for. This is about real practical tips. Now, one thing that I'm implementing right now is I'm doing batch content. All right, for me, that looks like every Saturday and Wednesday, I'm taking 3 to 4 hours out of my day, at least minimum 2 to 3, and I'm shooting content or I'm editing. And so what I do during the week is when I'm watching this content, right, you have a consumer and you have a creator, bottom line. Now, I'm a consumer first of YouTube University, but when I'm watching these things on Instagram, when I'm on TikTok, I am starring, I am saving, I am ensuring that I have a folder set aside for the content that I love, that I'm inspired by. I'm either A, gonna replicate it, or B, kind of create something similar in my own light. And that's an easy way for you to never not have ideas. And so then when Wednesday comes, when Saturday comes, I have a list of 30 to 50 pieces of content that I've just collected from scrolling. See, most people are just scrolling to laugh. Most people are just scrolling for entertainment. I'm scrolling to be inspired, and I'm scrolling to create, right? When I see a video, I'm like, yo, that's fine. I can do that even better. I could switch up this hook. I could switch up or make it long form like YouTube. I'm right on it. Another thing that I'm implementing is making shorts on YouTube. We already talked about this. I mean, if you have a TikTok, if you have an IG, or even you're doing long form video, there's an opportunity, even a video like this, taking it down 10 seconds a pop and putting that into your YouTube. You're going to be able to create a specific type of audience and really captivate every sentence that you're saying to be able to highlight and extend that longevity onto your page. And guess what? The YouTube algorithm rewards shorts, and it can help you get monetized even quicker. Lastly, one thing I want to get better at is just talking to the camera like it's my friend, right? We don't need to be all dressed up and business professional all the time. Me, I sell resumes, right? I do career prep. I do tech sales, which is very professional, but I want to have this conversation just like I'm talking to a friend, just like I'm literally FaceTiming. Like, hey man, what's going on? These are the steps that you need to do. And that's the type of energy that we can bring to our YouTube as well. Now, it's all about stacking wins, stacking posts, stacking your consistency, right? Brick by brick. So don't worry about the numbers. I want us to forget about the views. I just want us to be consistent. If you can show up, you can post a YouTube short every day and a YouTube video twice a week, and look over the next 90 or even 60 to 90 days, I guarantee you're gonna be a lot further. And then you're gonna be able to analyze. See, a lot of us, we keep switching the styles, we keep overthinking. Just go hard for 60 to 90 days. That's what I did. I went hard for 60 days and I can see, hey, what's working and what's not working. What are some of the things that the audience is engaging with versus what's not? And on top of that, we're adding CTAs, call to action. So if you need your resume done, or you need to apply to our free AI job board where we have thousands of remote opportunities, go ahead and comment job in the comment section, and my team will. And if you need your resume done, or if you're looking for a remote job opportunity, comment job in the YouTube comment section, and my team will be able to send you a personalized list of roles that we think you will be a great fit for that are literally been released over this last week. Now with this call to action, this is something that's real, of course, for me, but this is something that you can implement. Whether you have a form, whether you have a lead page, or you're telling people, hey, go ahead and follow me, go ahead and comment this and I'll send you XYZ. Tap in with me on my Instagram where you can find this. You need to have a next step for your audience. And these are the things on a consistent level that you're going to be able to do to push you over 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you see that I'm still at 900 subscribers, I'm doing something wrong, call me out and give me feedback. Look at my channel, see what I'm doing. Look for ways for me to grow as well, guys. Let's get it. It's your boy Nigel. Peace.